lanterns glow. Four old friends with stories to show. Sean and George with a fire so bright. Johnny chopping in the candlelight. Borgard Jana with a song so low, echoing tales from long ago. A bottle of red, a whisper of fate, a night to remember before it's too late. Laughter and echoes, the embers burn, but the wheel of time will always turn. Oh, the night we shared, the bonds we made, under starlit skies where memories stayed. The scent of spice, the simmering heat, in the taste of wine our hearts did meet. We cooked, we laughed, we danced in the glow, then walked our paths where the wild winds blow. Johnny's knife sliced through the air, carrots and onions, a chef's love affair. Borgard stirring the pot, a secret spice, a touch of thought. George poured wine in glasses tall, Sean's deep voice told tales to all. A bottle of red, a whisper of fate, a night to remember before it's too late. Laughter and echoes, the embers burn, but the wheel of time will always turn. Oh, the night we shared, the bonds we made, under starlit skies where memories stayed. The scent of spice, the simmering heat, in the taste of